Hello and welcome, and a very warm good afternoon to all of you. My name is Rajiv Banerjee, and I'm part of the corporate communication team at HDFC Bank. And on behalf of the bank, I welcome all of you who have assembled here. स्वागत है आप सब लोगों का। पहले तो आप सब लोगों को मैं दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल ऑफ यू and wish you all have a very safe and a happy Diwali. Friends, today we have assembled here for the launch of a very special campaign that we are launching, that the bank is launching under the aegis of International Fraud Awareness Week. But before that, मैं स्वागत करना चाहूँगा हमारे चीफ गेस्ट का, लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल डॉक्टर राजेश पंत. Dr. Pant, welcome to the show and welcome to the proceedings. मैं बताना चाहूँगा, Dr. Pant is the National Cyber Security Coordinator at the Government of India, and he has very graciously accepted our invitation to be here and be part of this proceedings. Once again, thank you so much, Dr. Pant, for your time. We really appreciate it. Next, I would also like to welcome Mr. Jimmy Tata, who's the Chief Risk Officer at HDFC Bank. Mr. Tata, thank you so much for your time. Really a pleasure to have you here with us. And also would like to welcome my colleagues from the bank. We have with us Mr. Prashant Mehra, who's the head for policy, risk intelligence control and analytics at the bank, and Mr. Manish Agarwal, who heads risk intelligence and control at HDFC Bank. और मैं मेरे बाकी कलीग्स का भी स्वागत करना चाहूँगा और स्वागत करना चाहूँगा हमारे फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम मीडिया के जो हमारे साथ यहाँ पे जुड़े हुए हैं, जो व्यूइंग मोड पे हम ये प्रोसीडिंग्स देख रहे हैं. सो शुरुआत करते हैं. बेसिकली दिस इज एन इवेंट और द कैंपेन टू टॉक अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट हाउ इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू keep your private information, banking details safe and secure, and not divulge it to anyone. And the campaign here is called Muh Band Rakho. Muh Band Rakho जो है वो इंटरनेशनल फ्रॉड अवेयरनेस वीक के अंतर्गत हम लोग ने ये लॉन्च किया है और आज हम लॉन्च करेंगे ये कैंपेन डॉक्टर पंत एंड मिस्टर जिमी टाटा के हाथों से. सो कैन वी हैव बोथ ऑफ देम ऑन द स्क्रीन प्लीज? Shivani, are they there on the screen?
Yes, sir, they are there.
Thank you so much. So now may I request Shivani to please play the logo first, and after that we have created a special song, Muh Band Rakho song, जो एकदम contemporary style में बनाया गया है, जो which I hope will be liked by the audience, because सॉन्ग तो बढ़िया है ही, मगर उसके अंतर्गत जो हम लोग जो मैसेज जो दे रहे हैं, जो कस्टमर्स और जो आम जनता को जो बता रहे हैं कि अपना मुंह बंद रखिए और फ्रॉड्स और फ्रॉडस्टर से बचिए, वो मैसेज हम ये सॉन्ग के जरिए हम लोग बताना चाहते हैं. तो कैन वी हैव द लोगो फर्स्ट एंड देन द सॉन्ग प्लीज?
हेलो सर, मैं एबीसीडी बैंक से बोल रही हूँ. आपका कार्ड ब्लॉक हो गया है, तो अनब्लॉक करने के लिए अपना 3 अंकों का सिक्योरिटी कोड बताएंगे प्लीज.
मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख, मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख, मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख, मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख. ठंग लेंगे आवाज निकाल के वो लड़की का, इसके बाद जीवन तू जिएगा कड़की का. बोलेंगे कि कार्ड तेरा ब्लॉक है, कलेजा तेरा मुंह में तू बहुत ज्यादा शौक है. रिवॉर्ड के लालच में डालेंगे बैंक वाले बनकर, कॉल कर तू तेरे बैंक वालों को बे अंकल, वरना हो जाएगा वांदा. महंगाई इतनी ज्यादा कैसे लेगा कांदा.
बुद्धि वही मचावाया बुद्धि वही, नोर मुस्को मामा नोर मुस्को.
मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख, मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख, मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख, मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख.
आपके मोबाइल पे एक ओटीपी आया होगा, वो बताएंगे.
मांगेंगे वो सीवीवी ओटीपी यूपीआई पिन. डोंट गिव द मेरे भाई, आ रहा है जन्मदिन, खाता तेरा एम्प्टी, घर वाले है सेंटी. पैसा तेरा झोल कर रहा स्कैमर बाबू बंटी। सुनो मेरी बात चाचा आंटी, फ्रॉड लोग बैठे तुम्हें देने के लिए घंटी। मांगेगे वो बैंक वाले डिटेल तो समझ जा बंदा है झोलर। फ्रॉड कॉल से बच और तू बन जरा स्कॉलर, समझा क्या? मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख, मुंह बंद रख लाला, मुंह बंद रख।
तो पब्लिक, बैंकिंग फ्रॉड और कोविड-19 से बचना है तो मुंह बंद रख।
थैंक यू। सो ये था हमारा कैंपेन सॉन्ग ऑफ द कैंपेन मुंह बंद रखो। तो दोस्तों, जैसे गिवन द पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन दैट वी आर इन, हमारा जो नियम को हमको जो पालना है, जो विच इज एब्सोल्युटली इम्पोर्टेंट, कीपिंग इन माइंड द पैंडेमिक, विच इज टू कीप आवर mouth and nose covered, practice social distancing and sanitize your hands. When it comes to prevention from frauds or falling prey to fraudsters, it is important to move band rakho. So with that, we come to the next part of our proceedings, and then for that, may I invite Mr. Prashant Mehra, who's the head for policy, risk intelligence control and analytics at HDFC Bank, and Mr. Manish Agarwal, who's heading the risk intelligence control at HDFC Bank, to talk about the campaign and also take us through a presentation. Over to you, Prashant and Manish.
Thank you very much, Raji. I welcome Lieutenant General Dr. Rajesh Pant, and I also welcome Jimmy Tata to the launch of this Muh Band Rakho campaign. I was just reading the newspaper today, and I read that India has crossed 75 crore internet users, and banking is an essential service as we embark on the Digital India campaign, and more customers come on the internet as well as embrace digital banking. It is important as responsible bankers that we teach them, educate them about how to carry out safe and secure banking transactions. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है हम सबके लिए एज बैंकर्स दैट ये मैसेज हम सबको बताएं कि अपना पासवर्ड, ओटीपी, सिक्योर इंफॉर्मेशन अपने पास ही रखे और अपना मुंह बंद रखे, जैसे वो अपना मुंह मास्क से कवर करते हैं ड्यूरिंग कोविड-19 टाइम्स. I will request Manish Agarwal, my colleague here, who will run through a brief presentation on what initiatives we are taking as a bank to ensure this Muh Band Rakho campaign and awareness campaign.
Thank you, Prashant, and thank you, Dr. Pant, and thank you, Jimmy. It's my absolute honor to be part of this particular campaign, or we can call it Muhim. And this is something which needs a reiteration. And as we call in the olden times, that prevention is better than cure. And I think this is what we attempt to do through this. So this is the second year when HDFC Bank is celebrating the Fraud Awareness Week, and we are very, gracefully acknowledging the contribution and the time given by Dr. Pant. I'm sure his association with this campaign will take this to a new height. So as we know, the key objective, the prevention is better than cure. In this particular campaign, or through this particular campaign, the objective is to create awareness about the safe and secure banking. And when we are trying this, the objective is the target audience. The target audience are across all stakeholders: the customers, the bank employee, the partners, the law enforcement agencies, the senior citizen, the societies, because anything and everything in today's world, is getting addressed through a digital. When we are doing this as a good corporate citizen, we are trying to ensure that we are social responsibility to create awareness and prevent fraud. We are encouraging all stakeholders to spread this particular message more and more times, reiterate more and more times, any times. Why we thought about this particular agenda? So as we know that we are living through a pandemic. So actually there are two pandemics. One is a COVID, and the second one is this cybersecurity. And if we see that for both of them, the cure or the prevention is Muh Band Rakho. And that is where we thought that while we create the awareness for the pandemic COVID-19, it has to be realigned along with the cybersecurity threats as well. So the reality is, while we have the two elements, the remedy is one. While we are talking about the key campaigns, we have created the video which is launched by Dr. Pant and Mr. Tata, and we have kept the young generation in mind, and that is where it is a rap song. We have partnered with law enforcement agencies across the board, and Dr. Pant, you will be pleased to note that we have taken bites across the various IPS officers across the country. More than 20 IPS officers have, been graceful in giving us the bites, which we will be continuing in playing in next 1 week. We would also want to commit and put a pledge in front of you. And Jimmy, we have already conducted 200 plus workshops, and we will ensure that in next 3 to 4 months, the bank completes approximately 1,000 plus workshops on creating the fraud awareness. So, Shivani, so this is our logo, this is our last slide, and we thank you everybody, Dr. Pant, Jimmy, Prashant, entire media, lot of my colleagues from the and the external participants who are here. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. Please ensure that this Lakshman Rekha is followed and we keep our mouth shut. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Prashant. Thank you, Manish, for the words and also the presentation to give us an insight into what this campaign is about. So, Lieutenant General Dr. Pant, Mr. Tata, I would like to tell you that, as part of this campaign, we are not restricting ourselves to just this International Fraud Awareness Week. Since it's a campaign, we are going to be taking it beyond this week and then holding workshops, secure banking workshops across the spectrum. Go to colleges, go to universities, work with law enforcement agencies, and then plan to hold around 1,000 plus workshops, as Manish said, over the next 3-4 months. Because the idea here is कि जितनी ज़्यादा हम जागरूकता और awareness create कर सके on the various perils of sharing your private information as far as banking transaction is concerned, and then not falling prey to fraudsters, उतना ही सुरक्षित रहेंगे सब लोग when it comes to doing digital transactions. And then given the fact that as part of Digital India, the various parameters are showing that, India is on the upward curve as far as digital transactions. So therefore, this need to create such a campaign is even more pertinent. And then that's been the thought with which we have approached this campaign, Muh Bandh Rakho. So with that, I would like to invite Lieutenant General Dr. Rajesh Pant to talk to us and say a few words, please. Over to you, Dr. Pant.
Thank you, Rajiv, and greetings of the day to all the viewers of this excellent initiative. Let me first compliment HDFC Bank for a very timely campaign that you have launched. The song was very catchy. I really enjoyed it. And it's been a series of events. I was just taking my mind back to last month, October, where we launched the National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. So 1st October, we launched our initiatives. And it's been a continuous series of events. I find on the FM radio, every day, sitting here in Delhi, there's a DCP cybercrime who's talking of the cybercrime cases and how they have been solved. Then we've had advertisements by people including Amitabh Bachchan coming on television. We've had quiz competitions and a number of events. And just a few days back, I was seeing on 14th of November, another bank contemporary of yours launching a song by children. And now today we have this Muh Bandh Rakho. So as a cybersecurity coordinator of the nation, nothing could satisfy me more than seeing what is exactly what we want, a whole of a nation approach. This is what we've always been saying, that cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. There is a term called CBDR, common but differentiated responsibilities. That means the individual has some role, the organizations have some role, banks like yours have some role, and of course the government has its own role to do, including the industry, etc. So it's so nice to see that in this unprecedented times, you mentioned the two C's, the challenge of corona and the challenge of cyber. Actually, at the perch at which I sit, there are three C's. And the third C, of course, is in our northern border, which is another challenge that we are facing. In such an environment, the cyber attacks which have gone up multifold. There are 4 lakh malware that we find every day. 375 cyber attacks take place. So, in such an environment, this Muh Bandh Rakho campaign, while it caters for only the phishing part, the voicemail phishing, which we've seen a lot in Jamtara, etc. But I would also like to extend this to keeping your control over your hands also. This clickbaiting, this disease of just clicking on the link. This is another reason where the malware drops, and you all must study the cases of City Union Bank as to how through a default switch and the person entered and then somebody clicked and then he entered the core banking system. So it's good to study all these cases, including the Bangladesh Bank and the Cosmos Bank, etc., at least at your level. So the harsh truth about the cyberspace today is that vulnerabilities will continue to exist. As long as we depend on internet-connected networks, vulnerabilities will continue to exist. And if vulnerabilities continue, then attacks will continue to take place. And let me also tell you that the attribution of these attacks will be as difficult as what it is today. So the only solution left is personal cyber hygiene and technological steps. So all those, the PPTs that we've been speaking about all these years, the people, process and technologies, it all boils down to basics. So please continue, as Rajiv said, continue this campaign. And from our side, there is full support. From the government side, anywhere you want us to help you, we will be there. But let me end by complimenting your entire team with Jimmy and Manish, etc., on an excellent initiative that you have taken. We are really proud of establishments like yours. And there are 4 of your colleagues also sitting with me in my office. I must thank them for organizing this very unique event. My office is looking like a branch of HDFC today with, all banners behind me. So thank you. I wish you all the best and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Deputy General Dr. Rajesh Pant, thank you so much for those words. Indeed, it is our commitment as a socially responsible, corporate that we are with you as far as spreading this message and then spreading this message of cyber hygiene, as you said. And then the fact that each one of us are personally responsible for to ensure that we don't leave ourselves vulnerable to any frauds or falling prey to fraudsters. So as part of that, we'll continue to work and ensure that we are able to reach out to as many people as possible across the society and then spread this message of Muh Bandh Rakho. Thank you so much once again, Dr. Pant. With that, I would like to invite Mr. Jimmy Tata, who is the Chief Risk Officer at HDFC Bank, to talk to us. Over to you, Jimmy.
Thank you, Rajiv. Thank you so much. And good afternoon, everyone, all of you who are here. Specific gratitude to you, Dr. Pant, for taking time off during your holidays and what must be very special family days for you to be with us today. From the bottom of our heart, really, it's very, very gratifying that you took the effort and took the time to be with us today. It means a lot. Also, welcome to all our customers who will be watching, to our friends in the press who will be here today with us, no doubt to all our employees and our partners who have joined us today. So thanks everyone for taking time off to be with us. Let me right off the bat wish all of you a very, very happy Diwali, to have the best new year that all of us can possibly have, and to make sure that this new year really is a new year and things do turn around. And all of us naturally must play our little part in making that turnaround. So with that, let me just get into the smallest of messages I want to give. I think all of us have been now quite aware and alleviated on the knowledge of what we need to do and don't need to do. I don't think there's anyone really who is not aware. The issue is some of us get caught unawares, and that's how problems really start occurring. So it's a question of being conscious at all times. It's not a question of not knowing or knowing what to do. And to that end, I think a message out to everyone, including those internal to us as well as our customers, everyone else. There is no valid reason whatsoever that you need to disclose personal information to anybody orally. There is absolutely no reason. And if someone comes up with another bright idea why you should, please understand you don't need to. It's a earnest request. It's the simplest of things. Normally we need to do things to stay safe. Here is a situation that is so different. You don't need to do something. You need to do nothing and you will be safe. Please do nothing. Do not speak. Do not tell. And I must take the cue. I think small omission on our part, and we should add this into our campaign. I must take the cue from Dr. Pant. Yes, don't click as well as speak. The clicking is as bad as speaking. In fact, it could be even worse, because when you speak, you have let out a limited piece of information. When you click, you have let in a malware that can take all your information and keep it, store it, memorize it, analyze it, do everything. So we must put this in. Thank you so much, Doctor. It's so nice of you to have alerted us to that. I think it is something we must add into our campaign. Everyone, let us spread the word. Let us take care, and let this be a start of a new beginning for all of us, that we are excruciating in our desire and in our detail that we keep things that are to be kept confidential. We do not fall prey. We are consciously aware at all times that every corner that faces us and surrounds us from wherever, whether it is our email, whether it is advertisements, whether it is social media, whether it is our own phone messages, there are attempts being made all the time to bait us. We must prevent ourselves from being baited in this manner. And the easiest way to do it is to do nothing. Just don't react when these sort of situations come. So that's all really that I wish to put out to all of you. Once again, thank you so much, Dr. Pant, for being here with us, and of course for even educating us further with your message. And happy Diwali again to everyone. God bless us. God bless the bank. God bless the country. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you so much. Over to you, Raj.
Thank you, Mr. Tata. Indeed, as Dr. Pant said, that Mr. Tata reiterated, ये ना सिर्फ मुंह बंद रखो मगर अपनी उंगलियों पर भी कंट्रोल कीजिए ताकि आप कोई भी लिंक को क्लिक नहीं कीजिए. So that's a very important point that Dr. Pant has highlighted. Thank you so much for it. With that, we come to the end of the proceedings. I would like to first thank Lieutenant General Dr. Rajesh Pant. Thank you so much, sir, for your time, for having graced the occasion and be part of this campaign launch. Mr. Jimmy Tata, thank you so much for your time as well. Mr. Prashant Mehra and Mr. Manish Agarwal, thank you everyone for your time. From now on, we are going to be putting the song out on social media, and we are going to be amplifying it to the maximum possible so that it reaches as many people as possible. I would like to thank all our colleagues from the risk intelligence control, some of them are sitting at the back, standing behind Dr. Pant. Thank you so much for all the effort. It's indeed been a team effort to make this happen, and we take it forward from here and make this campaign a very big success. With that, I come to an end to the proceedings. Thank you once again for your time. You may log off now. Thank you.
Thank you so much.